All right, so the do-it-yourself world. This mangled piece of garbage is about 2 years old. It's an expert grill from Walmart. Look at this. Completely just rotted out, man. 2 summers, this thing was like $100 or something. But you can just see how I mean, this thing is just garbage. It like crumbles. Like, look at this. Garbage. So anyways, that's all I had. So I was hanging on to it. Because that's what you do when you're doing everything yourself on a budget. But today, a gentleman gave me this grill. It's a stainless, here's what it is, Brinkmann Pro Series 2310. Now he said, oh, it's all rotted out, it's garbage. Well, look, first of all, this is a way nicer grill. These are cast iron, the burners. They're not like the shitty sheet metal like the other one. Now I realize there's a mouse nest in here. I'm in the process of doing some renovations to this thing, if you will. This is a little bit rusty, but it's solid. I think that'll clean up. If not, it's just a sheet pan. I'll just put another, like, cookie sheet, whatever, from Walmart, something, scrapyard. I don't give a shit. Just catches grease. So that, but we'll get to this in a minute. But here's the internals. I mean, surface rust, yeah, but you can see that just wipes off with my hands. But look at how clean these grates are. It's like they've never hardly been used. So I'm saying most of the time this thing probably just sat uncovered. That's why it's got a little rust. I did find out the electronic igniter is dead. Whatever, I'm not concerned about that. I have a grill lighter. But what I've come to the assumption... Hey, baby. This is the regulator setup. And I think this is bad. I can't get any flow to go through this. I don't know if there's dirt or mud or... I don't really see anything. No more food. So what I did was, this looks like an old piece of junk. So I robbed this one off that other grill. And this is still like brand friggin' new. And I know this thing worked just recently. So what I got to do is under here, bear with me, right there. Look, I got to screw this regulator on, then run it into there to the tank. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll come back and show you what happens. Hang on, baby. I'll show you what happens. And voila, there you go. About a 10-minute repair at most. I got them chooching. You can see, I don't know how good you can see this one. They work as they should. As they would. So, yeah. Really nice. Just turning junk into, and they shut off correctly. Cool. I don't want to burn too much. I don't want to burn up all that stuff. I'm going to take a shop vac and a little scraper and scrape all this crap out of here, vacuum it up and put it back together, and we'll be grilling this week. Total investment, time. Luckily I had that other regulator, but junk grills are easy to find, and hang on. Junk grills are easy to find and simple to fix. You can even buy regulators. I don't know if they have the double D regulators like this, but the one that I just put on, the single, they for sure have those at Walmart and Ace Hardware and wherever else, home improvement stores, and they're cheap, way cheaper than buying this grill. This grill's probably a couple $100, $300. It's expensive, especially with these side burners and all this. Now this isn't going to work. I unhooked this, but who cares? We want to be able to just grill our meats and get rid of that piece of junk I showed you earlier. So anyways, that's the do-it-yourself free grill restoration project.